times the number that we saw yesterday. We'll be engaging some of the people and also the leaders, but about 30 minutes ago we saw more buses coming in, Sprinter bringing some of the people in. But hello, can I speak to you? Let me speak to you. I've seen your placard reading Arise Ghana. Arise, save Ghana now. The banking sector cleanup must be explained. What are these placards that you are holding me? In the first place, why have you joined this particular protest today? I mean the picketing.
Come again.
Why have you joined the picketing today?
Okay. We are so part of Ghana and we need justice. So the money that came sent our way, it's our money.
All right, thank you, sir. Today too, you've come here to picket the embassy concerning former finance minister. We know yesterday the district court in U.S. had an application where the case was adjourned to April 27th, and also the court directed that they present all the extradition papers, documents to the court for the court to look through the documents. First of all, what's your reaction to that?
Okay, you know, the U.S. is a country of law. So we wait and see the final judgment. But we as Arise Ghana, we have nothing to do with Ofori-Atta's immigration issues. All we are asking is he should come home and face justice. We have nothing to do relating to his immigration issues. He should come home. He should come home and account for his stewardship as a former Minister of Finance. With issues relating to his stay in the U.S., we have nothing to do with it. So all we are asking is he should come home and answer for his stewardship as a former Minister of Finance. That's all we are.
But the end goal of this whole court hearing is to get former Finance Minister Ofori-Atta back to the country.
Well, the Attorney General. Okay, so the law enforcement agencies will ensure that the right thing is done. So for us, all what we know is that he should come home. So we will keep pressing for him to come home. But we hope that those in charge will ensure the right thing is done. That's all what I can say for now.
Right, so here at the U.S. Embassy this morning, compared to yesterday where the protesters were stationed at one particular place, today is not the case. They have decided to move around. The big runabout at the U.S. Embassy and crossing vehicular traffic here at this particular moment. But in terms of security, the Ghana Police Service have brought in more men and also have brought in barricades, ensuring that no one moves to the embassy and also no one distract anything over there. But we will try and get more people, more of the protesters as they move around the runabout here at the U.S. Embassy here in Accra over former Finance Minister Ofori-Atta's extradition. Some of the organizers are also here. Bernard Bona is the lead convener for Arise Ghana, and he was here quite a few minutes ago, but he has left the place to do one or two things. Salom is one of the lead conveners for Arise Ghana. Salom, yesterday we had the court case, so shouldn't that have been something satisfactory for you people, since the end goal of that particular hearing is to get former Finance Minister Ofori-Atta back to the country?
We are, for us at Arise Ghana, we are not disheartened at all or perturbed about the court outcome yesterday. The court adjourned the case to April 27th. Arise Ghana will continue to do and seek or pursue our object, which is to bring Mr. Ofori-Atta back to Ghana. We'll continue to do this thing. The court outcome has not affected in our team in any adverse manner. It has rather encouraged us to do more so that Mr. Ofori-Atta will be brought to Ghana, because accountability is integral. It is critical to the development of or in consolidating the democracy we so much cherish. Without accountability, democracy will be no more. We need accountability. Our public officials must at all times account to us. Mr. Ofori-Atta must come back to Ghana to account to us. We need him here. Bring back Ken Ofori-Atta.
Salom, what is the plan? Aside here, yesterday you didn't tell us that you will be moving around the embassy and especially the runabout to cause traffic. What really is the plan? What are your intentions here? Do you plan to also send a petition to the embassy?
A while ago, before we even decided to warm up, we told the police that in the letter we stated, we wrote to them, we actually stated in that letter that we will be picketing American embassy. So where we stood yesterday was not American embassy, and where we are today is not American embassy. So we will definitely be going to the American embassy. And I told them that diplomatically.
When you say you go to the American embassy, what do you mean? What do you mean? Because this is the main road of the embassy, just in front of them.
Because when American guys came out yesterday, they told us that, okay, if we wanted to take pictures or videos, we should go the other side of the road. We should cross the road, or we should do it across the road. So that definitely tells you that this is the American embassy. Where we are is Ghana. So if somebody should be running away from justice, for instance, and the person is here, where we are now, that person will definitely be within Ghana's jurisdiction. But if the person crosses the road to the other side, he is no more in Ghana's jurisdiction. You understand? In international law and in diplomacy, that's what happens. So we will definitely be going there to picket the American embassy.
Within the next 2 days, are you going to send a petition to the embassy?
Okay, so we have two petitions. The verbal one or the oral one, and the written petition. We have a time will come where we will definitely let you, the media guys, know that we are going to present the written petition. And when that time comes, we'll definitely keep you up, bring you up to speed.
Right. Thank you, Salom. Salom is one of the organizers for Arise Ghana. I'll come to you, but let me speak to you. What's your name?
My name is Farouk.
What?
Farouk.
Farouk,
Yeah.
what brought you here today?
I'm here because of Ofori-Atta.
What do you know about him?
I know a lot about him. So I want to tell you a little more that I experienced about him. We Ghanaians, we need him right now. It is time. Yeah. It is time. So every Ghanaians, we have to be ready. It is time. Yes. That is what I want to tell the youth. It is time.
When you mentioned that you have your experience and the experiences about him, what are some of the experiences?
Yeah, the experiences I was talking about is a little experience I will tell you. The experience is the way Attackers Francis talk about our, sorry to say, about our finance in Ghana here, the way the technology is building, everything is all right. So we are happy for him. We are all right. We are happy for him. We are happy to bring him back for the youth. We are all happy for you.
Thank you, Farouk. What brought you here today?
Okay, we are here for Ken Ofori-Atta. So we want him alive. We want him jailed. Right now, we want to ask him about the accountability and staffs. So we want him. We want him.
But do you have any particular experiences during his time as a finance minister that it affected you in some way?
No, I didn't hear. Come again.
I am saying that, he was a finance minister for a couple of years.
Yeah.
One of the longest serving finance ministers for Ghana. Do you have any experiences under his administration?
No, I don't have anything to talk about.
What experience?
There are certain policies that maybe he implemented that affected you positively or negatively.
Listen to me. I want to talk to I'm a Ghana boy. I want to talk for Ofori-Atta say we dey beg him. American embassy takes you to come to Ghana. Yeah. That matter we want to see him. Ofori-Atta, come and see the moving for everything. You say right there, to another see everything you like it. Come on Ofori-Atta Akeshi. One qualify. Get Ghana no for here. Eba Ghana. Kole Jena. Akeshi me. Inte yo Ghana no ko. Amole. Ata Africa. No Akeshi. Beye ko no ko. No you know what I war. No you know what I war. What like Ghana. No Akeshi.
Right, thank you. So he's one of those guys picketing here at the embassy. But let me also speak to you. Bring back Ken. I know you are holding a placard. Let Ofori-Atta face justice. What has he done?
Oh, Ofori-Atta is a bad man. The way he do there is no good. Me I be Pepeni, me I be Muslim. Wala Ofori-Atta. But I want to come and kudimu. Muchile simagana nanga.
Bamu sakeme yo. Bamu sakeme bobe. Eka kudi munengaruka. Wala eshere yo mumutu. Akao shigana nga muchidashi.
Right, so now they have moved. You know, earlier the protesters were moving around the embassy, especially the main runabouts at the U.S. embassy here in Accra. That it's also, according to organizers, part of their plan. And also they are hoping that they will move from where they are standing here right now. That is opposite the embassy when you cross the road, which they claim that it is also not part of the embassy, that is Ghana's jurisdiction. So they will be moving closer to the embassy. That's where they are hoping that since that place is part of the U.S. embassy, part of the jurisdiction, they will be moving to that place, and it's also part of ways that they want to let their voice heard. They want the embassy to know that they should bring back their former finance minister, Ken Ofori-Atta, one of the longest serving finance ministers for Ghana. You know, some of the demands that they are making is that there are a lot of charges that have been leveled against him. The OSP, that's the office of the special prosecutor, has leveled 78 charges against the former finance minister, and also there are a number of cases, including the cathedral that allegedly he was involved in some corruption act, and also quite a number of things, including the banking sector cleanup. There are a lot of people here. Sir, let me speak to you. Ken, why abandon your children Ghana? Why abandon your children in Ghana?
You can't abandon these children because now we are suffering. And father, why can father abandon his children? And who should take care of them?
Yeah, exactly.
Once you know you have children, then you now abandon them just for nothing because of your greediness or selfish.
But he has not been well, so he needs to seek treatment.
Who said it's not been well?
His family, his legal practitioners have been saying that Ken has not been well, that he has to do so.
So that's Ken on hospital bed, lying on hospital bed. When was the last time? Now America said they told him on visa status because it's what? It's passed. It's visa entry is what? It's now passed. So them they told him due to them their case, not be our financial case. So we want America to release him. Once his passport, once his visa is abandoned, over time staying, we just need him back. They should just bring him back. So we Ghanaians cannot.
Donald Trump, we want him back. Ice, bring back Ken. Bring back Ken.
But we know that one of the reasons why he went to court is because of his visa overstay. And also, the court is hearing the matter. Is that not okay for you?
Now, our category is even the biggest fish pond in Ghana. How can it be?
How did you know? It's not a fish pond.
Why did they dig the footings without any work? Now, it is the biggest fish pond because after the footings they didn't do anything. Only rain for that has what kept in there, and it's not even dry because of what? Always it's rain, and Ghana said we have a lot of water land in Ghana. Now we need him to come and what clarify himself to us about all the accountability, the money, the COVID money, the E-level, betting, all the taxes they did. We just want him to come and just tell Ghanaians, this is where we put you out, this is where we invested your money, this is where we invested the Ghana fund, the CD fund, the cocoa board, the gold board, everything, all the funds just need to come. Let's Ken Ofori-Atta to come down and just what.
Thank you. So these are some of the people picketing the embassy. Yesterday you were here and very aggressively taking part in this particular protest. Come forward for me. And today the numbers have increased, and I believe you yourself, you are excited.
I'm so much excited. I'm so happy to join this particular cause
because it's a good cause. And as you